Unlock the power of mobile apps with DeepSoft Technologies. At DeepSoft Technologies, we excel at transforming ideas into seamless experiences. Our team is not just experienced, we are a group of techno-savvy experts dedicated to bringing your vision to life. Tailored apps for every business need. Our innovative solutions are designed to meet your unique requirements and exceed your expectations. Harnessing the latest tech trends, we specialize in iOS, Flutter, Android, React, Angular, Node.js, Python, Django, .NET, Web API, microservices, and more. Stay ahead with DeepSoft Technologies. Our clients speak for us. Discover success stories and testimonials that showcase our commitment to delivering exceptional results. Fast, flexible, reliable. Our agile development approach ensures that your project evolves efficiently, adapting to changes and delivering results on time. Crafting intuitive user experiences. Our user-centric design philosophy ensures that your users enjoy a seamless and delightful interaction with your app. We stand by our products. With DeepSoft Technologies, you can trust in ongoing maintenance and support, ensuring your app continues to shine long after launch. Let's build your next big idea together. Contact DeepSoft Technologies today and let's turn your vision into reality.